Our approach, step 1, find all the corners that define the squares of a checkers board. Step 2, determine if those squares contain pieces. And then your phone knows the checkers board. Alright. So, the way our application activity is set up, if you guys remember from our midterm, we had a built-in camera application. We switched that up a little bit. Now you open up the main activity, you hit the big yellow button, brings up a camera view. When you hit the capture button, it starts our main algorithm in a service behind everything and brings up a activity that says your things are being processed, and you can exit out of that activity, go do other things. And then when everything's done with the main algorithm, it will cut out of that waiting screen and bring the playing activity to the forefront of your stuff. Alright, so starting out, this is Happy Happy World. You remember the main algorithm that we used to start finding corners was crawler. Starts out in the middle of the board, that's the exact middle of the picture, and then it goes to the right until it finds a vertical line. Once it finds a vertical line, it moves up and down them vertically, marking points along as they go. Once it gets done with one line, it moves to the next, all the way till it gets to the end of the board, and moves back. And that is the course that our crawler took for this picture. And those are the points that it found. And it was a nice picture that was very kind to us. And it was great.
For the second part, I just brought this up because lots of times it looks really easy. We see somebody else do it, so I just kind of wanted to ask everybody, can you tell which square goes where? All you get is color, that's all I know. I know a little square, can you pick?
Yes.
They line up like that. That's what I'm looking for. Sometimes you have as little as like 0 to 255 is your color. I have a difference of like 4 that I'm hunting for. So first thing I do is the most important thing is to figure out what the piece isn't. Then you have something you can start building things off of. We try to do no like hard coding. Everything's trying to be dynamic, different colors, different. So we try to have functions to kind of do everything. So what I start with is trying to figure out what the piece isn't. I only worry about the green squares. That was hard to say. So I put these down in all the corners and I look for the one with the lowest standard deviation. Means it has the most even color. I figured that's what the thing isn't. That's really important for me. And then, in the way we're running in right now, I always assume the piece is in the center. I always assume the board's beautiful like this. It's decently square, which can be bad because the more unsquared it gets, you start to have huge problems with how much of the square the piece takes up. So this one's pretty square. Our pieces are in the center. There's no shadows. This is about as happy as it gets for us. So next, I put something out before I run that one. So the other thing that's really tough about this is that if you look at like lots of the piece colors, the major issue is that nothing's uniform. That like right in the middle of a black piece, you have like a big white area. So if that's where I look, I won't get the right colors. So I make the thing in the center big, then I take the average of it. I take what I got here and figure out what's the difference. High enough difference means I found a piece.